Good afternoon, parents, guardians, family members, anyone who's helped me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Just want to go over the email on how to get to the email in case any of the students struggle. We went over it pretty thoroughly today, but it was one of the first times, so they might struggle a little bit. But just like you guys, I'm going to show you guys. Go to cnusd.k12.ca.us. You know, the shortest internet site ever. Go to mycnusd. You're going to put in the login info that the students have. Mine's already set up, so I can get in. But yours is going to be similar to what the page looks like. It's just going to have different colors. Instead of teacher resources, this area right here will say pre-K through 5th. But they should still have this email here. All they have to do is click this, and it'll pop up automatically. Then they're going to have all their emails. They should have probably very few, if any. As you can see, a lot of the students emailed me today. That was our practice that we did today. And then they just have to put an email. So that you hit up here where it says new, it'll pop up on the side. And then they have make sure they have a subject, which is something we discussed how it's not a full sentence. It's just a few short words or phrases that will talk about what their email is going to be about. So today they can write dinner or something of that sort. I do expect them to have a greeting. The greeting will be, "Dear Mr. Salmeron." Oops. They have to have the comma, then space down, then they put the body. So they'll write one or two sentences about what they ate for dinner and if they liked it. And then they will write, they can write yours, your friend, your friend, sincerely, whatever they want to write, they can write. I gave them a paper that gave them examples. We did it in class. So if they want to write sincerely, that's fine, but they have to make sure they put the comma in the closing, and then they write their name. For example, Mr. Salmon. And then we'll write their name. They'll write Tristan, and whatever your child's name is, please make sure they write it there, and then they can send it. Does not have to be very long, just one or two sentences. If they cannot find my email, literally just write in my name. You can put Salmeron. Oh, there I am. Oh, that's my Gmail, but you would go to the CNUSD one. That's the one that should pop up. Or if you want to use my first name, you can do that as well. Oops. And that's a different one. But yes, it should pop up. These are all linked to me because of they have it. I've sent myself emails. So thank you so much again for watching the video. If you have any questions, please shoot me a message. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of your evening.